Alright, welcome guys. I am going to show you the another testing platform that I am trying right now. It's called usertesting.com. As usual, you'll have to basically sign in first your profile with the other information that are required for you to sign in. Then you will just take a small test to qualify as a tester, and then you will be allowed to see available test. So in order for me to go forward, what I will have to do is I would just go available test, and on this available test you will see bunch of tests that are available. For example, this tech screener, these are tests available, so these are not available as you can see. And the tests are available for Windows, Mac, iOS, Android. And make sure that you use a Chrome instead of Internet Explorer, because it will be easy to download their apps like these, and then put on your up menu bar for the future reference. So you can see these are normally, it takes 15 to 15 minutes if you qualify, and you'll get $10. So this is what I have completed, and then this is my payment pending. As you can see, the test I have completed, I will show you. I completed two of my tests. One is pending. I got paid, and I will get the ratings as well. So check out for that. And so these are like a regular $10, but there are other various tests will be available for you. You can just go down, and here are the bunch of tests. You just go to the next page, and it will show you the date also. The tests are available. So these are only for the mobile devices, and these are for the desktop. You can see, if you don't see the price, these are normally $10, so you don't even have to think about it. And if they are paying more than $10, it will show you like this live conversation you'll have to have, and this takes approximately 60 minutes long, and it will pay you $60. And you will see another similar to that, but in order for you to get qualified, like for example this one, I will try, just click on this button, take screener, and it will take you next page. Which of the following financial institution do you currently have investment account with? So let's say you have any of them, you can select, and you will be like, if you qualified, it will take you to the next page. So I will use this, and I will continue. If these are the options they are looking for, then they will actually take you to the next page. Otherwise, you will see you don't qualify. Okay, let's say right now looks like they are looking for one of those firms people who have an investment account with. So that's why I was able to go to the next page. So the next page I have is, which of the following statements applies to you? I have accessed my financial account online or over the phone before. I have never accessed my financial. What are these options? So let's say I have accessed my financial account online or over the phone before. People usually do that. I will select that and try to be as authentic as possible, because it'll be easy to answer. Otherwise, if you just try to make up, then it will be very difficult for you to answer, and it's not a real testing. It has to be true, and it has to apply to your experience, so you can give a right review. So I will continue, click continue, and let's see what's the next step. Okay, as you can see, I select that option which is true. So now it says, unfortunately you did not qualify for this test, because they are looking for something else. So this is how you test you find a test, and you try to find the match, and if you're matched, it will take you to the main testing pays, which is you know, you'll spend 1 hour and you'll earn $60, which is not bad. All right, thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you on